Howdy people. So I want to do a little video real quick on just doing a cheap little upgrade to the work truck here. Alright people, so we're back. We got a little battery life left. We're working on the, Dad's working on the Buick. I'm working on headlights and so forth for the work truck, just trying to freshen it up a little bit. So I got the plastic layer off here so I can get that recoated with some bed liner. We're working on our new lights here. I switched over to 9006 LEDs. I got a bunch of white stuff in there. But what I did was I wanted to retain the HIDs for the what am I trying to say? For the high beams. So what we're going to do is this base is a little bit larger than your conventional high beam. So we can take one of these drill bits here and just drill it out for the appropriate amount, and then it'll just fit right in. We're good to go. Drill bits are very, very helpful. You can get them at Harbor Freight and various other places. Almost there, a little bit more to go. Alright, I'm not totally sure on the sizing, but now it fits perfectly. So, quick little hack there. If you need to make 9006s fit into a 9005, drill out the hole. Just make sure you want it to stay that way, because you can't put that plastic back. Sorry. Alrighty, still tinkering on the truck. Old taillight. New taillight. I think that'll look kind of fancy. Little side profile there. Yeah. That's going to look much nicer. Easy little upgrade. Still tinkering on the front here. There's the front. Looks like I need some new amber lights. I may have switched my 194s. Recoated the front end with the bed liner stuff, and I'm looking at trying to figure out a way. I need one more, but looking at a way to put the little like pre-runner style lights, like with the Tacomas and the Raptors are running. So working on that. I think I'm going to tie it into the either headlights or wrap it into the daylight running lights. So we'll see how it goes. Howdy people. So I want to do a little video real quick on just doing a cheap little upgrade to the work truck here. It needed some new headlights for a while. And I had been running the HID lenses, so you had that long warm-up time, and then since they were the 55 watts, I didn't have the resistors on them, then you had to flip the lights because only one would turn on with ignition. Anyways, so we got cheap lenses on the front here. We've got our LED bulb modified there, and I wanted to try the switchbacks, so we finally got those, and I got our little LED there to boot. So let's turn it on, see what it looks like. I was impressed. It was a little tricky installing them though, because I didn't watch any videos. I just started taking this stuff apart and trying them on. So I'd put one bulb in, and it's like, oh no, there's no white, it's not working. And so I put it in the truck here, and I tried to have the running lights on and then the flashers on, and I ended up with one thing where the whole instrument, like this light here, the indicator, all that was flashing. The outside was flashing, all because I only had one bulb in. That was kind of spooky. So I was like, well, okay, I wasted my money, didn't read the description right, so I'm not going to get switchbacks. But there they are. It looks pretty cool. So let's turn on headlights for the LED. Yeah. Obviously it doesn't really do too much good since we're, in the daytime. That's cool. We got that. I'll flip it real quick for the HIDs. You only have one bulb pop on, but that's okay. So there's a one bulb there. I just took those same 9006s and just drilled out my hole a little bit longer and fit them in that way. What I need to do as well is do the jumpers setup with the fuse box, so you can run the low beams, high beams at the same time. That will be nice. Alright, so let's turn flashers on, or like a signal here. Let's see what that looks like. So there we go. We got that side being amber, and that side is lit. So I was excited. Pretty cool. So kind of moderns it up a little bit. And we also found some cheap, I found some cheap lenses from Amazon. Got the black housing there. So I like it. Kind of dressed it up a little bit, give it a little bit more of a, Raptor. A little bit more off-roady look to it. So that's kind of what I was going for. So there you go. Quick little update on the old work truck. And like I said already, we did the black on the front. Used some heat paint on the tailpipe there just to blend it all together. So we got the tires rotated and balanced. So Hercules tires are working awesome. Went ahead and sprayed the steps as well. Power steering's running good. I might need to bleed the power steering pump again one more time. But overall, old beast is running great. So there you go. Like the little updated look. Keeps it clean. It makes it look, it still looks good for an old truck too. I get a lot of compliments. People ask me, did you get a new truck? I said, no, I'm just washing it. So it's nice. I like it. Runs good. Had Bear drive it today. He really liked it. So good deal.